wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybid presents the 10 best date stamps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The shiny 4-in-1 Mini definitely lives up to its name, as the text it produces is somewhat small. But that also means this doesn't take up a lot of space, which makes it excellent for those who are low on room and don't need anything big or complicated. This one's for marking items received and uses high visibility red ink. However, changing the date is fiddly. At number 9, you won't have to worry about leap years or short months with the Pyramid 3500, an adaptable time clock option for fast-paced businesses. It can be changed from 12 to 24-hour time, for example, and has a tamper-proof lock to keep users honest. This one can be mounted on a wall and is made in the USA, but it is on the loud side. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Trodot Printy Economy is a simple self-inking model that's priced to fit into any small business or classroom budget. It's easy to use since it has an open base that lets you see exactly where you're about to make your mark. Versions with actions are also available and it works fairly quickly. However, the included instructions are confusing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for date stamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you'll always be able to see this MaxMark Max Data 2 on your desk because its bright red body is hard to miss. It should give you several thousand impressions before it needs a new ink pad, or you can simply re-ink the old one. The top is conveniently labeled and the print quality is good, but changing the date is messy. Moving up our list to number 6. The Trodot Printy Do-It-Yourself gives you versatility, since you can change the message as many times as you want, thanks to the 300 characters it's packaged with. These include an @ symbol for creating email addresses, and 2 of each number. It comes in black or red and blue inks, and is great for home or business use. However, it is time-consuming to set up and adjust. Halfway up our list at number 5. There's nothing terribly exciting or fancy about the Sparco 4-band, but that's okay. It's inexpensive and can get the job done. The deep-edged characters make a good impression, not only on paper, but on the user too. It offers a 6-year date range and a nickel-plated steel frame, but the font is quite tiny. At number 4, whether you're an employer keeping track of your workers or you've just got a lot of forms to mark as received or sent or processed or faxed, the AT3000R Digital can handle it. It boasts 13 messages to select from, as well as 4 languages, including Spanish. It features left or right print options and a large LCD screen. However, aligning the cards can be tricky. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the MaxMark XL prints your preferred date in bold red beneath the prominent word received, which is emblazoned on the paper in blue. The overall effect is eye-catching, helping to prevent overlooking or improper filing of documents. There are several other words to choose from, and it's very lightweight. It's good through 2029. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for date stamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if pre-selected words and messages won't do, then you might take a look at the Excelmark R100. It offers you 2 lines of customizable text, one above and one under the date, for a price that rivals many standard choices. It also comes in 4- and 5-line versions and is offered in single or dual colors, all with a long-lasting reversible ink pad. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Trodot Professional 4.0 can deliver thousands of inked impressions before its stamp pad needs to be replaced. Not only that, but it has a sturdy brushed stainless steel frame that will stand up to ongoing use in a busy office. It features a clean and clear format and a block-style font, along with a comfortable ergonomic handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for date stamps, or simply click beneath this video.